just listed for lease and for sale.
2586 Lane Avenue North is a 12,500 square foot crossdock facility in Jacksonville, Florida. There are 15 docks on either side of the building for a total of 30, including one ramp on the south side of the building. The truck court was recently repaved with asphalt. The back of the property also has additional stabilized ground for storage.
There is 10,000 square feet of clear span space in the warehouse. .2586 Lane Avenue North is located on Jacksonville's west side with a short drive to 295, I-95, and I-10.
If you have an interest in this property, then please reach out to me for more information or to schedule a tour.